Hi, I'm Dr. Nicholas Westers, clinical psychologist at Children's Health and assistant professor at UT Southwestern. The most important thing to keep in mind is to simply ask. Start by asking, have you heard about what's going on in the news? And if they have, you can ask, what have you heard? And then simply listen. Listen without interrupting. Parents should avoid simply saying, don't worry, everything's okay. We want to open up communication, and one way to do this is to ask your child, are you worried about anything? What are you most worried about? And that way they can share their thoughts without judgment, as well as you can correct any misinformation. Younger children don't need to watch the news of the tragedy. It can be anxiety-provoking to them if they don't understand. Older children, if you are to watch it with them, it's a good thing to be able to clarify any questions that they have, but limit that exposure, not too much. That will also increase the anxiety in older children. Routines can help control anxiety with consistency, knowing what to expect. In a world that if there are tragedies happen, can't always predict those, but we can predict what time bedtime is and what time mealtime is. And so consistency can decrease any unknown variables in your child. When you're watching the news with your child, it's important not to point out so much the destruction that the tragedy has caused, but really the people that are helping. We want to instill hope in our children and in our future. And so there's always people that are helping. And that's one of the things that as a parent, you can highlight to your child, look who's helping.